I'm here at OFC with Sullivan, the CTO of MemQ. Sean, tell me about MemQ. What do you do, and how have you got to this point?
Yeah, thanks, John. So MemQ is a startup that came out of the University of Chicago and Argonne National Lab. And our focus is really on building network hardware for quantum networks, specifically for distributed quantum information, distributed quantum computers. So we're building an extensible network architecture that uses integrated photonics, but really the core technology is a quantum memory that's based on erbium ions in solid state systems. So this is our extensible architecture here, where we have two quantum computers that are connected through what's called a Bell state measurement in the center, using entanglement distribution. That relies on the quantum memory module. But there are also some other key components that we're developing for quantum control of the qubits that can reside in the different quantum computers using nonlinear photonic picks, as well as things like frequency conversion, depending on the qubit modality.
Okay. And why is MemQ different? What makes you different to other companies?
Yeah, so I think our unique selling point is that we know both sides of the equation. We have deep expertise both in the quantum side, the quantum engineering. All of us have PhDs, came out of quantum focused research groups.
Yep.
But we also have a very deep expertise in the integrated photonics. So we've done full 300 millimeter wafer tape outs. We've integrated our qubits on the 300 millimeter wafers. Have some Skylar is going to be presenting a poster here at OFC on that, actually. But we have some exciting results too coming out on the memory. So it's really this tight integration of the integrated photonics and the quantum systems that I think is what kind of sets us apart.
Great. And of course, you're part of our Optica Corporate community.
Yes.
As members. What is it that you can do for the community, and what can the community do for you?
So I think right now we would just love to talk to the community, people to tell us, people especially in quantum photonics and quantum computing, what are the key missing components like for their systems. So, you kind of have to, when you're building a quantum interconnect, which is essentially what we're doing, you really have to delve deep into the quantum processing unit itself. So come, talk to us about your specific problems for, trapped ions, neutral atoms. We're also working with some folks there. So I would love for people to sort of engage and talk, share what their biggest needs, what their biggest challenges are that we can help solve. And so that's kind of a two-way ask, I guess.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And it sounds like there's a great future ahead for MemQ. Thank you for talking to me today, and have a great show.
Great. Thank you, John.